Ace Apparel Limited, established in 1994. It is a large-scale integrated industry and trade import and export clothing manufacturing and processing enterprise. The total construction area is 112,978 square feet, with 1,073 employees. Located in Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh, it is only 14 kilometers away from the central airport. It is a wholly owned fashion factory under the Dishang Group. Dishang Group was founded in 1993. It is one of the largest clothing export enterprises and professional workwear manufacturers in China, having over 50,000 employees and an average annual revenue of over $2.2 billion. It provides high-quality products and a complete supply chain service for more than 800 brand customers in over 100 countries and regions around the world. Ace has obtained multiple international certification qualifications such as GMP, Neuropon, SEDEX, and WRAP, with an annual output of over 5 million pieces. Ace can produce all categories of clothing according to customer requirements, capable of handling product orders ranging from 3 million to 6 million, while ensuring stable delivery times. At present, Ace has established long-term and stable cooperative relationships with multiple international brands. Its customers are spread across Europe, Asia, America, and other regions. The CAD pattern room is the first step in Ace production process. Here, we develop virus samples and mark the product requirements for the production process. More than 500 new styles can be developed each year. A strong and stable supply chain effectively guarantees the product quality of Ace. All raw materials are loaded and unloaded in the inspection area, and 10% of them are randomly inspected. The processes and systems such as fabric inspection, inbound and outbound records, and color inspection ensure the supply of high-quality raw materials. A defective product recycling area is also set up to promote the recycling of resources and practice the concept of green production. Starting from fabric relaxation, we adopt advanced laying machines and cutting equipment. The TMB system is strictly implemented to ensure 100% inspection of the cutting panels. The workshop is equipped with process machines such as laser cutters, bonding machines, and heat sealing machines. Ensure that each cut piece meets high-quality standards, laying a solid foundation for the subsequent sewing process. Ace is equipped with dozens of modern and efficient sewing production lines. It can produce 400,000 pieces of clothing per month. To ensure product quality, we have set up a professional line maintenance team, needle changing room, and quality training session. Inspection checkpoints are set up on each production line in conjunction with the white card system and defect identification boxes. Promptly detect and solve defective products and continuously improve product quality. Experienced production technicians are equipped with a complete range of sewing machinery. We can ensure that any complex process requirements can be met. Detailed packaging processes such as thread trimming, lint suction, button attachment, tensile testing, ironing, and secondary inspection will be completed here. A humidity control room is specially set up to ensure that the products are not affected by humidity during transportation. We have established a high standard and comprehensive quality monitoring chain, ensure that every delicate finished product with tags can meet the expectations of customers. We provide customers with inline inspection, pre-inspection, and final inspection services. At the same time, we strictly implement the brand security and confidentiality policy to protect customer information and cherish our partners. ACE not only pays attention to product quality but also attaches great importance to the stable production of the factory. We are equipped with an independent power supply system and a fire protection system to ensure the stable operation of the factory and respond to virus accidents. ACE has set up different management systems for each stage, continuously escort product quality and ensure the safe and efficient production of the factory. ACE has a well-established HR department. We follow the conventions of the International Labour Organization. Employees are hired based on their abilities, and a safe working environment is provided. The factory is equipped with clean drinking water facilities and a cafeteria. It also has a prayer room, daycare centers, medical centers, etc. We respect local culture and religious beliefs, and constantly optimize the working environment for our employees. From high-quality raw materials to exquisite craftsmanship, from strict quality control to considerate customer service. Choose Dishang ACE. We will provide you with the most perfect customer experience.